Hey Panther family, let's go over the Book of Knowledge. So as you can see, my cover is still undecorated. That is on my to-do list, but it's not due till Friday, so I still have a couple of days. We open up the cover and the first thing you see is our Book of Knowledge expectation sheet. This is the contract that you and your parents signed that explains what the Book of Knowledge is used for. And then since this is my U.S. history copy, we see the Book of Knowledge title page for the United States. We have 5 words or phrases, 5 images, and 5 colors that all have to do with the U.S. for my 8th graders. For my 7th graders, we have a Texas version. Make sure that you're studying the right course. We're really only doing one course of study this year. Let's go back to 8th grade. Flip the page, and on the left we have our year at a glance. Again, 8th graders, this is really only these 10 units. We're not going over Texas history. For my 7th graders, you're in Texas history. We'll get to U.S. history next year. This is what yours should look like. From here on out, the books are relatively identical. We have our 3 pages of table of contents. So 1, 2, 3. And then when you flip the page, we have our unit 1 jumping in. Now remember, Texas, 7th graders, yours looks different. That's okay. You can still get the same idea. We have our study guide over here for our 8th graders, 7th graders, these are your vocabulary. And then we have our 555 for Unit 1, our lovely little title sheet that tells us exactly what we'll be studying in Unit 1. Flip the page and we are to the diagnostic that we did in class. And then from there we can just do our book as the way that we do in class. Now we flip over to the back cover and we have our syllabus. Now this is that 2-page document that you and your parents signed that just explains what we'll be studying this year and why we're going to be studying it. And then our back cover, future history. Again, mine's still not decorated. That's on the go for today. But hopefully, not only do I get that completed, but we will have a beautiful master copy Book of Knowledge for you to check yours off in class. Have a great day.